Hey, what's up guys? Today we'll be creating a Gmail account. We'll be starting it from scratch. It actually doesn't take that much time to create it. Gmail I think is the best suit. If you do want to create a free email account, it's secure. And Google actually has a lot of programs which tap into the actual Gmail account, like your Adsense, your YouTube, Google My Business. There's actually a lot of programs even when you're creating your apps. So definitely you'd want to have a Gmail account. To create a Gmail account, we need to go to Gmail. Let's just go to Google. Right, it's going to just say Gmail. Right, go into Gmail over there, and we're gonna go into create an account. Right, so it's gonna ask you for your first name and last name. This is gonna be your alias. So whoever's gonna be receiving emails from you, this is the name that's gonna show up on top there. Okay, let's just put our first names. Also, if you're doing it for your company, you can put your company's name as first name. So I'm doing mine from Books Digital. That's gonna be my first name, and that's gonna be my username. And I'm gonna have to come up with a password. Okay, these are just saying which ones are available, but I guess that one is also available. So I'm gonna go forward with that, and I'm gonna have to create a password here. Remember, your password needs to be 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. I usually do 1 capital, 1 number, 1 symbol. Okay, and then you repeat it. Okay. Yeah, click on next. Right, so this phone number links to your phone, so in case you lose your password, you forget your password, or you need to verify that you are actually the owner of your email. So put in your cell phone number, preferably something that's close to you, because they are going to send you a verification right after you create this. So let's put our one in. Alright, and then in recovery email, if you do have a second email account, you can put that in, but it's optional. You don't have to put it. If you do have your number, it's better in order to recover your email address in case something happens to it. So I am gonna put my other email here, right, and my date of birth in, right, gender, if it's for a company, rather not say. But if you also rather not say, just click on rather not say, right? Just click on next. And these are the privacy and terms. So I encourage you guys to read through all of this so that you know what the privacy and terms conditions are. I already read through those. Yeah, so agree. Okay, and like that, you've got your email. Yeah, so this is obviously your inbox. This is Google's welcome email. Hi, inbox, welcome to blah blah blah, bam bam bam, all of that. Basically, yeah, that's how you create a Gmail account for Google. Like I said before, it is very important to have one. With a lot of things which are Google related, you do need a Gmail account to sign in on. So I highly recommend you guys do get a separate Gmail account for everything else related to Google, and my letter flashing at the back here. Okay guys, so we've gotten to the end of this video. You've seen how easy it is to create a Gmail account. If you found this video added any value to you, please consider liking it and subscribe to the channel for more content related to business, tech, and digital marketing. See you guys on the next one, and thank you for watching.